Hi friends, let me show you this smart LED light that I received for reviewing purposes. It's an RGB wall lights with the basic shapes are hexagons, and you can do it yourself and organize them as you wish. You can put them in any wall and you will have a really nice light display. Let me show you. This is the main plug-in unit. These are the connectors, okay, like this. You get your user manual with all the functions. You can get up to 16 million colors out of them. You get this remote to control everything, or you could download the app to change the patterns, the colors, everything. You can arrange them in any form or shape that you like. I am going to install them here to give some light to my office, and I will let you know how everything looks in the end. Thank you. So let me show you here my star that I did here. I am going to use the remote. Okay, as you can see, you have a lot of different ways, like red, green, blue, yellow, orange, another shade of green, warm white, cold white, okay, and like an automatic rainbow mode or colorful mode. So you can imagine this lamp giving a lot of nice view in your playroom, in your office, in your streaming studio. And you can, of course, organize it in any shape or form you like, as long as you connect bars and hexagon. So I think it's a great, nice lamp for your place. Thank you.